Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create beautiful animated list. Okay, I have created this new Flutter project and I have opened it on VS Code. Now let's open up the leaf folder, and inside the leaf folder let's create a new file. I'm gonna say home screen or that file, and here let's create stateless widget and let's send the class name to home screen. Okay, let's return here scaffold for now and open the main.dart file, and let's remove this stateless widget from here. Let's create new stateless widget and let's send the class name to my app. Okay, let's return here MaterialApp. Now give the home to the MaterialApp, that home screen we have just created, and you'll get this blank white screen. Now let's remove this debug banner. Inside MaterialApp, let's make debug show check mode banner to false. Okay, now open the home screen.dart file. Let's close this main.dart file and give the body to the scaffold. Give the column children. Let's generate the list of container. List.generate. Okay, remove this bracket. Okay, give the length of the list. I'm going to give the 10, and let's generate the let's return here container. Okay, give the child to the container, and let's give the text. Okay, here is the container with the text. Okay, let's give the padding to this column, 25 to each side. Okay, let's copy this for this container and let's create new folder. I'm gonna say widgets, and inside the widgets folder let's create the new file. Let's say MyContainer dot file, and let's create stateless widget here. Let's send the class name to MyContainer and paste that code we have copied. Okay, perfect. Now open the home screen and let's return that MyContainer. Yeah. Okay, let's give the width double dot infinity. Give the color, give the decoration, box decoration, and give the colors dot blue dot shade. Let's give 200. Okay, and let's give the margin only to bottom side by 10. Okay, also let's give the height. Let's give height of 400, maybe 200. Okay, let's wrap this column with the widget called single child scroll view. Perfect. Now we can able to scroll. Okay, also give the app bar with this scaffold. Okay, also give the title. Let's give the title animated the style. Okay, now open the my container and let's wrap this text with the center widget and give the style to this text style. Let's give the font size of 40 and also make this font weight bold. Give the color start. Let's give the white color. Okay, let's make the this text dynamic. So define your string, final string title, create the constructor, require this title in the constructor. Okay, keep your title now. Okay, now open the home screen dot file and give the title here. Let's say container. One. Okay, perfect. Okay, also let's give the border radius to this container. Here give the border radius dot circular by 22 all sides. Okay, now our container is looking cool. Now let's work on animation. Okay, now open the browser and search for Flutter Animate package in the pop.deb. Okay, go to the pop.deb and search for Flutter Animate. Currently it has like 701k downloads. Okay, you will get this package over here. Click on this package, click on the installing tab and copy this command line, or you can just copy this and add to the dependency in the pubspec.yml file. I'm going to run this command in the terminal to the project directory in VS Code. Okay, now if you open up the pubspec.yml file, as you can see, this new package has been added to our Flutter project. Now open the home screen dot and over here let's animate this container. Okay, this is coming from this Flutter Animate dot package. Okay, animate this now, this container. Okay, let's put the effect. I'm going to put the effect. You can choose one. I'm going to use this fade in. Okay, let's give the duration of that effect. For that effect, I'm gonna give the 500.ms. Okay, let's delay this. Give the delay duration also. Let's delay to the particular index. Dot ms millisecond. Index into 600 ms. Okay. Also, you can give weight to slide. Okay. Also, you can give the slide effect. Just slide to y direction. Okay, this is also coming from the Flutter Animate package. Okay, let's begin from 0.1 and start to into 0.0. Give the duration. Just give the duration 500 ms to this also, and delay duration also. Multiply with 200 ms. Okay, perfect. It's going to be 0 times 200, 1 times 200, like that. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, also you can give the shimmer effect. Okay, let's reload the app first. And let's see the slide Y effect also. Okay, let's put X. Y is this direction and X is this direction, horizontal and vertical. Let's slide to X direction. Perfect. Now also you can give the shimmer effect. Skip the shimmer effect. And you can also give the duration to it. I'm gonna give the 500.ms2 and delay to particular index. Let's multiply with 200.ms. Okay guys, this is how you can create beautiful animated list style in Flutter by using this package, Flutter Animate package. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment and subscribe my channel for more videos like this.